Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. What up? Okay, so it's time for us to get ready. I have my friend here. What's your name, friend?
Carrie Kimora.
Okay, so we're gonna get ready to go to a Halloween party and we're just gonna show you who we're gonna be. We're doing a rival Halloween costume makeup look. So if you got a bestie, a friend, or a homegirl, anybody that you're trying to go out with and get trying to figure out a costume, here's an idea.
Right.
So we're gonna hop right into it. I am going to turn myself into Wonder Woman, and Carrie
is going to be her rival Cheetah girl. Cheetah woman.
Cheetah.
Something.
What's her name?
I don't know. I feel like it's Cheetah. Whatever.
Cheetah. Alright y'all, we're gonna get right into this video. Okay guys, so we're just gonna chit chat a little bit while we get ready. You know, all that good.
Right, I guess we can start with like how we met.
That's fine.
How's it?
I have no idea. I don't remember.
Damn, I think we met off of Instagram.
Was it?
I feel like
I'm meeting mad people off Instagram now.
I feel like it was from Instagram, and it was from back then when beauty groups were regular beauty groups. Oh wow, thank you for doing that, girl.
Prime your faces.
Right.
She was not about to prime. Are you dead serious? It's very possible. But my memory on how I meet people really sucks. I need more of this primer. I'm about to do something like this.
Which one is that?
This is the No Problem from Touch and Soul. I love this primer. This is my second favorite. My first favorite is my Dr. Brandt, but it's all the way in my room.
I've been using it since working at IMAX, working with Sister. I like it. I've been using their primer.
Yeah, their primer's good. Is that what you're using now? No, I like their primer. Their primer's in the room.
I use even when like I'm not putting on any makeup.
Their primer's really nice.
It's gonna come out.
It's gonna come out right, sis. You're gonna be good. Like I feel like the 31 days of Halloween is just so hard, and then you have to like. I had a whole list, and some of them things I didn't even get to because I had 31 things. Like, you know what I'm saying? But just with like everyday life, you work full time. It's like things come up and it just doesn't work out that way, you know?
No, you're right.
That's just the thing. Like it's like things happen and then it doesn't come out the way you like wanted it to, or you don't have the time to do the things you wanted to do. But I really did try my best, and I was pushing out looks, so.
And you know, you did good, and you were editing looks on top of that.
Right. Editing videos.
You're so stupid.
Oh my gosh. Alright, let me blend this down. You know what I like about doing my makeup next to other people? That our process be so different.
And you learn something.
Yeah, like I feel like, okay, so I do my process where I do my whole base first. So I do everything first, then I do my brows, and then that's my favorite way to do makeup. I used to do brows first, but because the reason why I don't like to do brows first, and this is why, because my forehead is little, so when I would go in to blend my foundation, I would always go on over my brows. So I would get tight because then I would have to always go back and do my, like fix my brows. So I started doing my brows after my base.
I try to, the reason I don't do it,
girl, don't die.
I feel like I don't know if my foundations, I just, for that same reason, but for different, I feel like once my foundation is already over my brows, I don't like how it looks when I go with the pencil. I feel like it doesn't give me that crisp look. Like I've been seeing everybody doing the whole brows after foundation.
But did you know I did it like that?
No, I didn't.
See, because you can't tell.
Right.
Start being like doo 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 doo. Because
I can't even laugh. I'm inhaling.
You inhaling
pepper.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's gonna taste good. So now I feel like it's gonna taste mad good. Cause like if you die while it's cooking,
right,
you know it's about to be lit.
When it hits your mouth, it's
gonna be mad good.
Immaculate.
Girl, you look like a pumpkin.
I'm supposed to do this again for Halloween.
That's the thing, like orange, that's why I did not do orange anything. I was gonna do a pumpkin look and I was like, I do not know how I'm gonna look orange.
I think I've seen.
Even though I feel like I look pretty in orange, I don't know how I'm gonna feel if I color myself orange.
It's a test. It's a task. I haven't done this. I haven't done a full orange look. Like last year, I did the same thing, half pumpkin skull, because it's just the easiest type of look to do.
Yeah, not easy. I know. One year I went to a yacht party, but I don't think I like yacht parties because I feel like after a little while, like when I want to leave, I can't leave until the yacht
until the boat gets back in the top.
And I don't like that because then I feel like I'm like a prisoner on the island.
I don't like that.
Like I feel like, okay, yeah, it's cute. Well, we turned up, we on a boat, and then after a little while, I'm like, all right, we on this boat. I want to get off this boat because I want to leave.
Right,
but I can't leave. You mean to tell me I can't leave?
No, that's how I feel about cruises. Like everyone wants to go on a cruise. I'm like, I don't know how.
But
I said the same exact thing. I don't know how I feel about being on a place where I can't. Like,
but see, the cruise, they give you a chance to get off because remember you could go to like other countries and stuff like that. Like,
right,
it's only like 2 days you'll be on the boat, but those boats are huge. We took them out like a little fucking yacht. Like, those boats are huge. You could be on two sides of the boats. The boat got a club on it. I've been on a cruise.
Right.
The boat, that's different. Me and my boyfriend trying to go on a cruise for Valentine's Day.
I'm sorry, y'all. Just you know when it starts separating and just be
But set it with some no, don't keep putting more paint.
No, I'm going over it
with some eyeshadow.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do in a minute.
Cause it's gonna separate, and then you gotta what you gonna do your highlight with? I'm doing my makeup so slow. I do my makeup way faster than this, but I'm so ahead of her. Oh, she's highlighting now.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Like I'm not just taking my time. I done did half my eye. Once I cut this crease,
it's over. I'm almost there. I still got. What's gonna take time are
the spots.
Yeah.
All right, let me finish my eye. The way the light is picking you up, it's making you look so bright, like almost like a Oompa Loompa.
For real.
But doopity-doo.
Is this a transparent one? Because I never use this one. Oh.
So I want to do something glittery on my lid. So I got my New York palette right here. So I think I'm gonna do this glitter, like this pigment, like this, like it's like a sticky kind of glitter. I messed it up.
I love that glitter. Oh, that's my favorite one. I love that.
So should I put it on my lid?
Yes, please. Like
I'm gonna glam up my girl, Wonder Woman a little bit.
Her whole freaking palette, like.
Nah, fuck with Chanel Cosmetics. Alright, y'all, so what we about to do is I'm gonna let her catch up to me because she's not caught up at all.
So she got it easy.
So I do have it easy. I did it on purpose. I changed this last minute. I was like, we should just do this because... Okay, y'all, we back now, and Speedy Gonzalez over here, and now she wanna speed up.
I'm trying to catch up to her. I still got a whole side to do.
And I'm just about to put my liner on. Wait, what happened? Did I just break this? Where I get all this eyeliner on me from?
No, where did you just get that from? Something black on your nails, maybe?
No, it's my eyeliner.
Did you just scratch your foot, maybe?
No, I think it just broke. Did it break?
It doesn't look like
this is eyeliner.
I want to get into that. I want to look good.
Yeah. What? You fucked up? Where?
Look at my nose. Yeah, that's gonna stay just like that. I'll have.
How did you even? Did I hit you just now? How did you do that?
No, I don't even know.
Alright, so now I'm gonna just start blushing because
you're still done. All you gotta do is blush your lips, right, and highlight.
No, and I gotta do my crown thing, my Wonder Woman crown thing.
Yeah. Okay, no. So then maybe we are on good timing.
No, I'm still gonna finish it for you.
You know what? All right. Because now you sound like a challenge. You're gonna make me rush you this.
No rush. I'm just saying I'm still finished first. The thing is about it is I don't know how to draw no star.
You know what I did? What? Oh god, I hate when. Oh my god, don't you hate when a certain part starts to itch and you can't itch and it's painted?
Yep.
What I did was, what I learned to do was, like, you know, the regular crisscross star you draw? I did that, and then you just fill it in with the yellow, and then you outline it as needed, as necessary. Because trying to do that freehand draw star, it's going to be uneven, versus this one, it's easier to control.
Now, okay, wait, alright, y'all.
First of all, I'm not even done.
Wish me luck.
Write it down.
I'm nervous. Okay, wait. Alright, y'all, look at my star. I think I did it. I'm happy with it, because it is what it's gonna be.
Right, exactly, it looks good.
Okay, so after that, I'm gonna go in with the gold paint that comes in my CC Beauty joint, and I'm gonna just like paint around my star. I did that, y'all. I did that or not?
If I ever go MIA, guys, and I go missing, just know Reese killed me, and that's because I wasn't doing what I was supposed to do.
Exactly. Just know. Y'all could come see me because I've been warning her that she will be killed.
Just know.
Because I've been encouraging her for like mad long. I am the type of person where I believe that anybody could eat. There's so much. I just told y'all that somebody was worth $131 billion. He don't need all that fucking money. It's mad money in the world. It's mad money in the world.
You don't even know what to do with that fucking money.
Right.
I don't even know what to do with that shit.
Nobody would. So it's mad money in the world, and all we need is a piece of the pie to live comfortably. We don't even need $1 billion, $1 million to live a good life. Like, no, it's really place and room for everybody to get us like their own little bag.
Storno. Yes.
Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. All right, so I want outline my lips, right? Cause I wanted to give like a darker red, cause this red is kind of.
I like I said from before, this look.
I like your shit. It came out mad nice.
Oh, what? This is toy.
This is a glam forward channel. Thank you very much. Right, y'all, we do glam on this channel. Thank you very much. We highlight for the gods. We
first of all,
we offend
you
highlight.
See that though?
We offend the viewers. That's the type of highlight we give. We give offensive. We give. What is she doing? Oh my God, she's so bright. She looks sweaty. Offensive.
Because
that's what we give.
Talent though.
That's what we give. All right, y'all. So we're gonna do our finishing touches. She just has to do her lashes. I have to change my hair, bring my hair down so I don't look like a rat with a rat's nest. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna show y'all how rival looks. We'll be back. Okay, you guys, these are the final looks.
She look good.
I really like yours.
She look good. Thanks to her, that white paint definitely helped make it pop a little bit more.
I've been coloring myself so much, I'm like an expert.
Right, you know.
Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this
Glam Tutorial,
which was kind of all over the place, but we did it. It's done.
It's out the way.
Always trust the process.
Seriously, yes. That's one of my biggest downfalls. I do not. I would stop a look midway and be like,
nah,
I'm done.
Always trust the process. You don't know if you're done until you're done, like until it's over.
You're right.
So, lesson learned, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll be back with another look tomorrow.
Toodles, guys. Nice meeting you guys.
Bye.
Have you been winking? Have you been doing your winks?
Sometimes.
Because I've been seeing you. I've been hyped. Like she's like,